Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to invite any users on your QuickBooks Online, it could be your employee, your accountant, or any other person that will manage your business assets, financial analytics data, and all that can have all the accountant details as an accountant on your business or company. So if you want to add them or invite them to add as a particular role on your QuickBooks Online, on your company, or on your small business, so you can just do the same thing that I'm going to show you in this video. So watch till the end so you won't miss any important steps. First, you have to do is log into your QuickBooks Online with your account credentials like your email address and the password. So once you have done it, you can find the gear icon at the top right corner. So once you have click on it, here you can find your company section where you can find manage users. Simply click on manage users where you can find the users, roles, and accounting firms. So here you will be able to add a person or invite a person as a user on your QuickBooks. So simply click on add user. So you have to enter their first name, their last name, and the email address. That is crucial. So once you have added the email address, you can assign them as a role here. So you can add a role here like accounts receivable manager. You can also add more here, payable manager, view all permission here. So you can find all permission that are actually included. So you can give the permission for sales also, inventory also. So you can set up the roles for that person and simply click on send invite. Then the invitation will be sent to that email address. So you have to tell this person that you have sent the invite to check their email inbox, or sometimes they have to check the spam section so they can get the invitation mail on their email. So you can that person can easily accept the invitation to get assigned as a role, assigned on this role that you have selected on your QuickBooks Online, so they can manage your business. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.